So right now I'm gonna go over what I've been looking at for the weekend, and one of these stock that I've been looking at, and I believe is gonna do, it's gonna not, it's time for it to go back up. So it is ticker symbol CRM. So CRM, Salesforce. So I believe this stock is gonna go up. So the reason why I believe, I'm gonna give you a few reasons why I think it's gonna go up. Um, First reason is because we have triple bottom, the sign of triple bottom. So right here is the first triple bottom, second, and this is the third. Three triple bottom that we have. Okay, so reason number one is the triple bottom. Now, the second reason why I believe that the stock is gonna go up is because this is the monthly time frame, and looking at the monthly time frame, I have this trend line right here in the green right here, and historically, for the past years, this trend line has been respected. So right over here in 2011, 2012, 2013, right here in 2016 and 2017, and even right here 18, 2020, we got close to this trend line but did not even touch, and then we went back up. And right over here in 2022, December 2022 and January 2023, we literally bounced off of this trend line. And again in 2025, May 2026, actually, we came right here at this trend line. So this trend line is being respected for years, and I believe we're gonna be bouncing off of this trend line again and continue to go back and go to the upside. That's the and now the third reason why I believe we're gonna continue the upside is because I'm gonna zoom in to show what I'm to explain what I'm saying. So this is the monthly time frame, and as you can see, we had a bullish engulfing candle that bounced off of the trend line, and it was bullish engulfing, and it was a pin bar, bullish pin bar as well. So we now close this month green, that month green, and the next month, which is June, is retracing, and it is normal, you know, for any candle to retrace to retrace, especially this is a monthly candle, and it is normal for it to retrace and do the from the opposite of where it was going. So now, last month was green, and this month is red. We're having a bearish candle, and we're just in the middle of the month. That is normal. And just to bring some more confluence and clarity, and this candle is red, and another reason why this candle is red is not only because it is retracing because the last month was green, but also it is retracing because of the actual war that's been going on between the United States and Iran. So now there was news that came in the beginning of the month. Upload this. Okay, there we go. So at the beginning of the month, we have back in June 10th, 2026, there is news that Iran war updates, but and U.S. launches new attacks on multiple targets in Iran. Okay, and that was bad news for the market. That affects the market negatively. So now fear in the market enters, um, and automatically people start selling. So of course, that's another catalyst to bring the market down. And not only that, we also have another. We also have other reasons that caused the market to go down, and we have Israel that launches an airstrike on southern Beirut southern suburbs on Sunday, and that came out in June 14. That news came out on June 14, targeting what was what it was said was Hezbollah's infrastructure. Okay, so now these happened at the beginning of the month of June, last week, and also at the beginning of the month, very beginning of the month, there was some bad news. So now all of these contributed negatively to the market. As you can see here again, last update, that was June 2nd, 2026. Iran walks away from talks. So these negatively affected the market. And now that we are going to be in the third week of June, okay, in the third week of June, we're going to look at some new news that came out, and that came out today. You can see here, June 14, 2026, deals is reached to end Iran's war, and Trump orders stop to U.S. naval blockage. Okay, that came out today, Sunday 2026, Sunday 14, 2026. Okay, so these are the confluences I'm looking at that makes me that give me confidence that CRM is definitely gonna go up. It's gonna go to the upside starting, this week coming up, third week of June. There's a possibility that we could always come back down. Nothing is set in stone. But looking at what I'm looking at, all these these reasons, the catalyst, of war that's ending, and the reason why it was going, the stock was going down, and now the war is ending. I strongly believe that the CRM is gonna go up. Matter of fact, the whole market may go up. So now going back to this, to the chart. Let's go back to the chart. Okay. Now another reason also that I'm looking at is, or the confluences that I look at, is the RSI. Okay. I love looking at the RSI, and as you can see, when looking at the RSI is not completely oversold. Okay, but however, it is 36, level 36, 30, 35, did not completely reach level 30 or even go beyond level 30 on the monthly. Okay, and again, this is the monthly time frame, and we see when it gets there to level 36, 35, it just bounces and goes up for a long period of time, and we're right back at this level. Okay, we're right back at this level, below at level 36. As you can see, I'm gonna put a line right here so you guys can see. So if I put a line right here, horizontal line right here, we're right at this level. Okay, level 36.15. We're touching this level. So the best way to play this would be to buy myself some CRM or get a call option. Now if I get a call option or if I get some CRM, where am I gonna exit? So my exit level are what I'm looking at what I'm looking at right now. From this level right now, we at 165.89. That's where the price of the stock closed last Friday, 165.89. I strongly believe that we're gonna go up and we're gonna go past, at a minimum this month, we're gonna close green. We're gonna close green for it to for us to have a bullish month. Okay, so we're gonna close green at this level, 280. this month. That's what I see at a minimum. But now at a max, uh, the other level that we can get to is 211.87. Now, once we start reaching 211.87, depending on how much volume and momentum we have on the other time frames, will tell me how, how much I should keep my the stock for, how long I should keep it for. So I'm looking at these levels. 280, that's like the minimum. I believe we're gonna break this level, but the next level I'm looking at is 211 and 87 cents. $211.87. Okay, and after that we're going up to 225.01. Okay, that's where I see we're going right now. And again, that's on the monthly. That requires some time, and I'm not saying this is gonna happen, we're gonna reach 285 225 this month. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is that the minute we start to go on the upside, maybe another 2 3 months, we can go up to 225. It may be shorter than that, it may be longer than that. The market has its way of, you know um, moving, that nobody can really time, and I'm not trying to time it, but my guess, based on what I'm seeing, we have these three levels that we're gonna hit, and this red candle that I'm looking at right now, that we can see right now on the monthly, is just a retracement in order for it to prepare to bounce back and close green at the end of the month. That's my guess, and that's what I'm playing, and I'm planning for this for the rest of the week, the rest of the month of June. All right. So with that, guys, I'm gonna keep looking at the market. I'm gonna keep looking at other stocks. Keep preparing, and I'll share with you guys anything else that I come across. And if you guys have any questions or anything that you guys want to share, let me know what you guys are looking at actually for the week, for the third week of June. Just put it in the comment. Let me know what you guys are looking at. Let me know what else you guys want me. If you guys want me to, research something for you guys as well, let me know in the chat, and we'll do so. Okay. All right, guys. Peace out.